Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to fix the connecting to the Counter-Strike network error in CS2. Let's get it working again quickly. First, open the Start menu and search for View Network Connections. Click on it, find your active network adapter, double-click it, and then click Properties. Next, select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4. Make sure Obtain an IP address automatically is selected, and then choose Use the following DNS server addresses. Enter 8888 for the first line and 8844 for the second line. Then click OK. Now, open the Start menu again, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. In the command prompt, type ipconfig/flushdns and hit Enter. Then type netsh winsock reset and press Enter again. Finally, restart your computer and the CS2 network error should be fixed. And that's it. That's how you fix the CS2 connecting issue in just a few steps. If this guide helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.